When an online store hits its stride, volume scales rapidly. Hundreds of orders become thousands, and margins on every transaction dictate if the business thrives. For small and medium enterprises reaching this phase, the market usually forces a difficult choice. You can either hand over a perpetual cut of your revenue to a SaaS platform like Shopify, or you can try to hack a blogging platform into a full-scale retail operation using WooCommerce. PrestaShop offers a distinct third path. Since its launch in 2007, it has matured into a robust open-source alternative that gives businesses a complete, ready-to-use storefront right out of the box. You download it, install it on your hosting, and you launch. There are no ongoing subscription costs, no per-transaction fees, and you don't need to hire an engineer to build a custom front-end. The question is whether a free, standalone platform actually delivers a professional customer experience, and if the maintenance requirements you take on are worth keeping your revenue entirely in-house. To understand exactly what PrestaShop brings to the table, we have to map out the current e-commerce software landscape. We'll evaluate the major players across two critical dimensions: control and core architecture. This chart maps your options. The x-axis is ownership, from closed SaaS to self-hosted open source. The y-axis is focus, from CMS to standalone commerce. Shopify dominates top left. WooCommerce anchors bottom right. PrestaShop uniquely sits top right. Total open source ownership, but dedicated entirely to retail. That precise market position is PrestaShop's core value proposition. It is a purpose-built retail engine that answers to no one but you. When any software calls itself free, the only metric that matters is the total cost of ownership. You have to account for the hidden costs of scale. Look at this 3-year total cost of ownership graph. Shopify's costs scale aggressively, combining a base plan plus a transaction fee. Plotting PrestaShop's trajectory, the lines intersect early in year 1. From there, PrestaShop stays remarkably flat. That flat line represents the complete elimination of platform rent and transaction fees. For a scaling business, those missing fees translate directly into thousands of dollars of retained profit annually. To capture those savings, you do have to step up and run the infrastructure. You will need to deploy the platform on your own standard web host or pay for PrestaShop Cloud to manage the servers for you. That self-hosted control comes with strict responsibilities. If traffic spikes during a holiday sale, you need to ensure your hosting plan can handle the load. You are also responsible for applying core software updates to protect customer data. If your team can handle standard web maintenance, PrestaShop creates a highly profitable environment for a growing catalog. Beyond the balance sheet, the actual architecture of the software heavily dictates your daily operations. Because PrestaShop doesn't have to worry about managing blog posts or comments, its product management tools are highly focused. Native support for complex product variants, custom product bundles, and detailed catalog organization is ready the minute you finish installation. This comparison table breaks down the architectural showdown. Looking at the underlying structure, WooCommerce bolts a shopping cart onto WordPress. PrestaShop is built from the database up strictly to catalog, sell, and ship products. The direct trade-off here is content marketing. If your business relies heavily on blending editorial content with commerce, driving sales through SEO-heavy blog posts, PrestaShop's standalone nature will feel restrictive compared to WordPress. You also need to weigh the ecosystem size. PrestaShop has a robust marketplace for professional themes and specific functional modules, but it is definitely smaller than the massive, sprawling library of thousands of plugins available for WooCommerce. PrestaShop trades ultimate flexibility for strict focus. It is built for teams who need their software to operate purely as a retail engine rather than a media property. That specific retail focus yields significant advantages for businesses facing complex operational hurdles, particularly multi-brand operators and European retailers. Built in France, PrestaShop natively includes heady-duty tax engines designed for intricate European regulations, alongside built-in support for multiple currencies and languages. This means regional shipping rules and complex tax compliances work instantly. You don't have to piece together and maintain expensive third-party extensions just to legally sell across borders. This diagram details PrestaShop's native multi-store setup, where the platform excels at portfolio management. From a single admin dashboard, you can launch several distinct storefronts. Inventory, branding, and tax data are cleanly routed to individual sites without crossing over. Running a multi-store network does introduce a moderate learning curve for administrators who are completely new to the software. You have to configure your initial catalog carefully to ensure data routes correctly and avoids cross-contamination between your sub-brands. But if you run distinct regional sites or separate brand identities, native multi-store capability is invaluable. It saves you from duct-taping plugins together or paying separate full-price subscription fees for every single site you launch. Choosing your e-commerce architecture sets the operational reality for your business for years to come. This platform scorecard breaks down exactly who should use what based on the structural realities we've covered. PrestaShop is the perfect fit for European retailers who require strict out-of-the-box tax compliance, or SMEs scaling multiple sub-brands who need a dedicated storefront without stacking per-site platform fees. It is a highly acceptable fit for budget-conscious domestic retailers. If you are willing to navigate a slightly steeper learning curve in the admin panel, you can save thousands in annual transaction costs. Avoid PrestaShop if your strategy relies on heavy editorial blogging. In that case, use WooCommerce. And if you have zero capacity for web hosting maintenance, keep your store on Shopify. PrestaShop proves a vital point in the open source landscape. An SME does not have to pay a perpetual tax on their own sales volume to launch and operate a professional, highly capable retail storefront. With the Commerce Foundation set, our next module moves up the stack to drive growth. We'll explore how to scale your outreach using open source marketing automation, starting with Mautic. Subscribe to Uplatz so you don't miss it.